Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosx. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. And we have negative sine x dx. Because we don't have the negative side in here, so I will put this one go to the left. So this one we change by u. Sine x dx we change by negative du. The integration with negative and sine u, we have cosine u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about cosine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.